Hello friends, my name is Chirag. Today I am here with you to tell you about motorsports. Motorsports in India happen under the Federation of Motorsports Club of India. You can also visit the website www.fmsci.co.in. All events in India happen under Federation of Motorsports Club of India FMSCI. So today I'll brief you about motorsports. There are many type of motorsports events which happen across the country like karting, rallying, racing, TSD, time distance speed events, club events and many other events like drag racing, sprint, autocross, hill climb and etc. etc. Today I'll brief you about rally. What is rally? Rally is a race that happen in two sections which is called transport and competitive. So what is transport? Transport are slow sections with public traffic. Slow speeds are given in this section which can be easily achieved. Competitive sections are super stages in which incoming traffic is sealed. No public traffic is permitted in this section and the drivers can drive up to their limits in these sections. So transport is a section with reduced speeds where on public traffic roads less speeds are given which you can easily achieve. Competitive sections are those sections in which you have to drive at your limit and no incoming. These are sealed sections, you have to drive at your best in these sections. So for a car starting from point 00 Odo 00, your time will be taken at the start point. From that point your transport section starts, say about 50 kilometers. So after you finish that 50 kilometers you are again timed at the red clock. So you have to stop before the yellow clock and wait for your time. Say if your start time is 7 a.m. and your finish time will be you have been given 2 hours for this transport, so your finish time will be 9 a.m. So if you reach this place, this clock at this place around 8:45 or 8:50, so you will stop for 10 or 15 minutes. When it's exactly 9 a.m. and 9 a.m. 1 minute will start, you will enter in this section and get your time punched at red clock point. So you will be punched as 9 a.m. So exactly 2 hours you have taken for the transport. So that will be 00 penalties. If you enter this section at this red clock 1 minute late or 1 minute early, if you enter 1 minute early, you will be penalized. If you enter 1 minute late, also you will be penalized. There will be time penalties for that. After that you will be forwarded to the start point of the competitive section. So approximately 3 minutes are given for the start. Once you take the start for the competitive section, say it's about 80 kilometers of competitive section, so you have to drive in this section at full speed, and in between these sections there will be no incoming traffic. All the section will be completely sealed and there will be some control zone like DZFZ, or there can be hops like radio cars and ambulances. Once you finish that competitive section, you will be timed again. After the finish, you will be timed at the start and at the finish of the competitive section. So the person who will be taking the minimum time in this competitive section will be declared as the winner. So you have to drive faster. The faster you drive, the uh, better time you will achieve, and you will get your rankings accordingly. So some more section control zones are like DZFZ in the speed section. If there will be any rally passing through any village areas, you will be getting DZFZ section. DZ is the control zone start and FZ is the control zone end. In the DZ zone, you may be given the speed of 30 in the competitive stage. So when the DZ will start, there will be a board on your left uh, with the DZ sign. So at that point you have to slow your speed because there can be a village ahead or a public place. So you have to go slow till that FZ board, and after that again you have to get start driving at your full speed limits. After that you have a radio car. This is like electric sign, this kind of a radio car or FIV, anything. Then there is an ambulance sign. So now we come to the rally calculations. So how does we do the calculations in a rally? What do is 00 at the start. So that is your first TC0, and your car starts at 6 a.m. and you have been given 45.8 kilometer of a license distance, which is a transport distance. So total transport is 45.8 kilometer, and for those 45.8 kilometer you have been given 1 hour 30 minutes. So you have to come, you have your start time is 6 a.m. and you have to finish at 7:30 a.m. at point A. From point B is the 48.4 kilometers super stage. This was the transport, and now is the super stage or a competitive section. Competitive section is 48.4 kilometer. For this you have not been given any time. You have to drive as fast as you can, and say you finish that section in 1 hour, and again there is a transport of 800 meters. 0.8 is 800 meters. 800 meters is the transport. So for those 48.4 kilometers and 800 meters you were given combined time of 1 hour 30 minutes. Say I complete these 48.4 kilometers, as it is a competitive section, so I complete it in 1 hour. So 1 hour, I have been given 1 hour 30 minutes. In these 0.8 kilometers, I may take a service, and or I wait. I can have a halt, or I can have a food. After that 0.8 kilometer, I have to check in at point B exactly at 1 hour 30 minutes, which is 9 a.m. 3 minutes. Now is again the competitive section of 21.8 kilometers. So that 21.8 kilometers I have to do as fast as I can. After that is the 63.8 kilometers of a transport. So again from point C to end, both competitive and transport combined time is given of 2 hours 45 minutes. So 63.8 plus 21.8 kilometer, both of the stage plus transport I have to do in 2 hours 45 minutes. And so accordingly I'll drive that, which is 85.6 kilometer I have to do in 2 hours 45 minutes. So that's how the rally calculations take place. Thank you. And the topics I'll be covering in the future videos will be entry and documentation process, TSD rally, navigation, what are our navigation gadgets, rules and regulations, safety equipments, vehicle requirements, expenses for the events, what all expenses we have to bear, sponsorship process. All these topics will be covered in future videos. So guys, thank you for watching the video. In case of any queries, you may leave a comment below and I'll answer you surely. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share my videos. Also press the bell icon button to get the notification of my latest videos. Best regards, Chirag. Thank you.